Hello friends. Today is January something. I don't know. I've been on vacation from work for the past 2 weeks, so I lost track of what day it is. But here we are in Toronto, living in a winter wonderland, and isn't it beautiful? It's snowing very lightly right now. I don't know if you can see that. Today I'm going to be working on prompt 6 of Stitch the Season 2025, and the prompt for today is tree. So we're going to be using this other page that we set up at the beginning of the project. This is 2 pages that we stitched together in the middle. And this strip is meant to be a pocket at some point, but today we're going to be working on this page right here. And I thought what I would do is use one of my beach treasures. This is something I picked up on the beach this past summer. And I'm going to use that as a trunk for my tree. It's a little bit long though, so I think I kind of like this. So I think I'm just gonna cut it here. Let's see, will this work? Yep. Now I have some strips of fabric, and I'm sure you've seen this done before. I'm going to tie them around this stick, and we are going to make a tree. Will I like the way this looks? I have no idea. So I'm just going to play around and see how it looks. Should I be making another knot to make it go in the right direction? I don't know. Do I like this? I don't know if I like this. I can't decide. I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to add more pieces of fabric, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, here's where we're at. The fabric is not behaving the way I thought it would, but I'm going to keep going. I think I'm just going to trim them so it's in a tree shape, and then I might just use a stitch to hold the fabric in place. Okay, it's a little wonky, but I really feel like this will work. It will. We're going to make it work. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is stitch down this little twig, and after that I will work on the ribbons or the pieces of fabric. Okay, my twig is attached. It's not really in the middle. Sometimes it's kind of hard for me to see when I'm filming, but we'll go with it. So here I just have some regular sewing thread, and I'm going to try to make these branches look pretty. If I just put some tiny stitches over here close to the trunk, maybe that will hold everything in place. That seems to be working. So I will continue with the rest and I'll be right back. I added some little beads for extra sparkle, and I have to say, now that these little pieces of fabric are stuck down, I do really like this. And that's where I'm gonna leave it, because sometimes simple can be very pretty.